Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall power hour cleaning video. Just going to be tackling the living room, the kitchen, doing some laundry and vacuuming as well. So right now I'm just doing a little overview of what needs to be cleaned. My children decided they were going to take pretty much every toy out of their toy bin and put it all over the living room. So we're going to be starting in the kitchen, just putting away the dishes that were in there from the previous day and washing the ones that were in the sink. I just had a few, so I'm just going to be doing that and taking out the recyclables as well as wiping down the counters and pretty much just going to tidy up the kitchen.
One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
So once the clean dishes were put away, I realized that I needed to wipe the sink down, so I'm just spraying some 409 in there and getting it ready for the clean dishes to go inside.
My reflection, thinking about what you imagine. Nothing on my life, maybe time to just have a different. Staring at the ceiling.
So now that everything is cleaned up, we're just going to take the same 409 spray and wipe down the countertops.
One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
So right about this time, I realized that bag sitting right there was from Walmart and it had my ground beef and my breadsticks for dinner that night in it, so I just had to put that stuff away really fast.
A little bit of light, a little bit of gold. Under pressure, you start to fold like a diamond from gold.
So next up, I'm going to take what's in the dryer out of it and getting that ready to be folded and putting what's in the washing machine into the dryer and letting that dry and moving on. Now now that the kitchen's nice and clean, I just decided to light this fall candle. It's called White Pumpkin from TJ Maxx, and it smells so good. It just makes the whole house smell like fall. So now that the kitchen's clean, we're gonna be moving into the living room and just tidying it up, putting everything in its place, and getting it ready to vacuum.
I never even got to say goodbye.
Also, if you notice, my little sidekick's helping me, haha, not really helping, but as you can see, my son jumping all over the couch and my daughter down there pulling the movies out. This is a constant thing in my house. I am constantly picking up behind them, but oh, the joys of being a mom, right? So now it's time for my favorite part, the vacuuming. I just love how it makes the house look after it's all done. It makes it feel complete. I have noticed with this vacuum, I've had it since Christmas, and I've noticed that on the rug, it doesn't really suck that great. I don't really know what's up with that, if I need to just clean the filter or what, but other than that, it's a pretty good vacuum. And I will link it in my description box if anyone's interested in it.
Nothing on our loving. Maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. I wanna go back to how I used to be. Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. Nothing on my life, maybe time to just have a different. Didn't break you down. Staring at the ceiling.
A little bit of light, a little bit of gold. Under pressure, you start to fold like a diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside
finished, and I think this took me a little over an hour actually to do because of the kids running around and all that, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.